Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna take you to our farm here in Bukidnon. This is our first vlog and hiking video here in the Philippines. Hey friends, this is Miss Listan again, and today we are here in the Philippines for our first vlog. I used to cover a video about places and tourist destination in UAE. But in this video, I'm gonna take you to our family farm in the mountains. This is our hometown in Bukidnon. So ito po yung daan, madadaanan natin yung river papunta sa mountains. Actually, this mountain is the back part of the Mount Kitanglad, a very well-known mountains here in Bukidnon. And guys, I lost 2 kilograms within a month here in Bukidnon. So I used to swim in the river every 3 days. It's a little bit far from here to our home. That makes me lose weight. But here it's easy to get back. It's really hard to breathe. Ganyan ang river, small lang siya but it's clear and cold. Ayan, may mga kapitbahay. They have so many puppies. All cute. I wish to get one of them. They're so cute. So guys, itong daan na to ay pwedeng madadaanan ng sasakyan since there is a wide plantation of pineapple. So back in 5 years, it wasn't look like this. They're all trees and grasses. Some areas are corn and vegetables. So here's our very far neighbor. It's meet and greet. Ayan, they're happy to see us passing by in their house. Let's go continue walking in this last slope. So guys, ito nga pala yung linunggong, which is ito yung daluyan ng mga tubig na nanggagaling sa kabundukan. At marami po ditong mga natural waters came out from the ground. This place is the source of our drinking water, and also at the same time when we were young, we swam here. It's because back in time, it was a lot of water. So right at this time, the place is not much water because it's a dry season. Baboy ra mo tuwara. Isan ka. Sipon siya. Welcome to Sagabsab Mountains. So guys, nandito tayo sa farm ng aking father. And malawak po to, kaya lang kulang sa financial support, so hindi masyadong natatamnan. And of course, malayo siya sa downtown or sa area kung saan nandun yung bahay namin. It is actually an hour and a half of walking from our main house to here. Meron pa siyang isang land pa dun sa baba, kaso dinivide po siya ng dalawa dun sa dalawa kong kapatid. So nandito siya, nag-sacrifice sa malayo dahil binigay niya sa dalawa kong kapatid yung area na kung saan medyo mas malapit.
Don't you run away, 'cause I'm asking you to stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay just a little bit longer? Just a little bit longer. Won't you stay? Won't you stay just a little bit longer? Just a little bit longer. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay just a little bit? Just a little bit.
And guys, to make it short, pababa na tayo para pumunta naman tayo sa isa pang land ng father ko na dinivide into two for my brother and sister. So nag-harvest lang po tayo ng beans doon sa farm ni father. We're going back down and I'm gonna show you the farm of my sister. My sister plant a sweet peas. They call it kabit, like these plants. This is her farm, and this is for my brother. Talong! Namulak ng kape o tingbulak sa kape. Here's the plant of my mother. She's also selling this one. And look at this coffee beans. This is the plant of my father and my mother, and they have the banana and the langka or jackfruit, and this is the part where our carabao will swim, and this is the guava tree. Look at that fruits. And also this is my sister's pet. Look at me here. Let's go harvesting the coffee. And that's it guys, there's so many black ants in my clothes. And guys, if you're new to my channel and if you like natures and some green places on earth, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share to your friends. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates in every uploads.
Bulan tampak sa una ba? Kimir siya akong katawan, basta masakay ang motor. Sige, panawag ko Ginoo.
Kitsa?
Merci.
Merci nga.
Merci ko nga katong libat-libat. Harvester rin balay.
Si Iyaya nilang may kay.
Oo, kaya. Ginoo ko, munaog na ko, Ginoo.
Try dahil siya sakay.
pilan, binag-angkas.
And that's all in this video, guys. We're going home now, passing this wide plantation of the pineapple. This is Miss Listan signing off from Bukidnon, Philippines. Bye for now and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.